Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Giving you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Boat has a black gel coat, twin 250s with joystick piloting. Let's step aboard and take a look at some of the new features this boat has. For 2020, we got this new gray stone interior, which is absolutely stunning. We also got the new snap-in sea deck flooring available directly from Sea Ray. Feels great on the feet, and it does come out if you want it to. Also got this really nice gray toned countertop, 12-volt refrigerator. Also has a Kenyan barbecue grill, freshwater sink. Looking aft, you got a freshwater shower, boarding step, infinite amounts of space and seating on this 29. You saw the sun lounger in the back. Nice L-shaped seating in the cockpit. Grab handles where you need them. Dedicated cooler storage, cup holders, opposing sofa seat on the starboard side. Again, the boat's equipped with a 9-inch Simrad, which is all your vessel controls, GPS, fish finder, engine controls. Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and of course this is an upgraded option with the awesome joystick piloting for outboard, which is an autopilot skyhook. Boat is very nicely optioned, available here in MarineMax Pompano Beach. 2020 vacuflush toilet, freshwater hand basin. Moving forward, lots of storage everywhere under the seats and the floor. Really comfortable boat, can fit a lot of people on it. Of course, we also have a automatic anchor on the bow to make it very easy for you when you want to go out to the sandbar. Again, this is Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This boat is available. It's a 2020 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. 954-633-2070.